In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new hire checklist in Gusto. If you want to make onboarding more organized and consistent for every new employee, creating or updating a checklist template in Gusto is a great way to do it. This helps make sure important tasks are completed at the right time, whether they need to happen before the employee's first day, on day one, or after they've started. To begin, sign into your Gusto account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu and click Hiring. This is where you'll find the tools related to bringing new employees into your company, including onboarding resources and checklist templates. From there, go to the Onboarding Checklist section. This area lets you manage the onboarding experience and review the templates used for new hires. Next, click Customize Templates. This will open the list of available checklist templates that you can edit to better match your company's onboarding process. Now, select the Employee Checklist template. This is the template commonly used for standard employee onboarding. After opening it, click Edit so you can make changes. To add a new task, click Create a new task, or choose Add a task under one of the existing timeline sections, before day one, on day one, or after day one. These sections help you place each task at the most appropriate stage of the onboarding process. For example, pre-start paperwork may fit under before day one, while workplace setup or introductions might belong on day one or after. Once you've chosen where to place the task, enter the task details and select when it should be completed. Be as clear as possible when naming the task so it's easy for your team to understand what needs to be done. Choosing the right timing is also important, since it helps keep the onboarding process smooth and prevents tasks from being missed or completed too late. If you need to include more than one task, simply repeat the same process to add any additional onboarding tasks. You can continue building out the checklist until it reflects the full onboarding flow you want new hires to follow. When you're finished, click Return to Onboarding Checklist to save your changes. This takes you back to the checklist area and keeps your updated template in place for future use. That's how you add a new hire checklist in Gusto. Thanks for watching.